If you're looking for passive income ideas for 2022, you're in luck. In this video, we will discuss the top 12 passive income ideas that are perfect for anyone looking to make some extra money. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom or dad, a college student, or just someone who wants to make some extra money on the side, these passive income ideas are perfect for you. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the video. Number 12. Rent out your home short-term. You can rent out your home for short time periods to get some extra passive income. You can make a lot of money this way, and it's a very passive form of income. In addition, you can use services like Airbnb to help you find guests. Another great option is to rent out your driveway. You can charge people for parking, or even just for using your driveway as a shortcut. This is a great way to make some extra money without doing much work. Also, another option is to rent out your furniture. This can be a great way to make some extra money if you have furniture that you're not using. You can list your furniture on sites like Craigslist or Furniture Rentals USA. Number 11. Sponsored posts on social media. This is a great way to make some extra money without having to do much work. All you need to do is find a company or product that you can promote, and then post about it on your social media accounts. The company will pay you just for posting. You can also include a link in your post so that people can click through and learn more about the product or service. Another great way to make money through social media is by selling shoutouts. A shoutout is when you post about another person or company on your account, and they pay you for the promotion. This can be a great way to introduce new people to your audience, and it's a great way to make some extra money. Number 10. Create an app. If you're looking for a passive income stream, creating an app could be the way to go. With over 2 billion active app users, there's a lot of potential for making money through app development. You can create and sell your own apps, or develop apps on behalf of others. Either way, this is a great way to earn passive income. To get started, you'll need to come up with a great idea for an app. Once you have your concept, you'll need to develop the app and get it approved by the App Store. Then you can start earning passive income from your app development efforts. Number 9. Dividend stocks. Stocks are one of the best passive income streams. You don't have to pick just one stock. Of course, you can spread your risk by investing in a variety of dividend stocks. But if you're looking for a single stock that will give you a steady stream of passive income, dividend stocks are a good place to start. There are many different ways to invest in dividend stocks, but one of the simplest is to buy an exchange-traded fund that focuses on dividend stocks. Number 8. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is one of the best passive income ideas out there. It's a great way to make some extra cash on the side, and it doesn't require much work on your part once you have everything set up. Here are the basics of peer-to-peer lending. You become a lender by investing money in a lending platform. The lending platform pulls together money from multiple lenders and uses it to fund loans. The loans are typically for small businesses or individuals who need access to capital but don't qualify for a traditional bank loan. You earn interest on the loan, which is paid back to you over time. Number 7. Sell photography online. If you have a knack for taking great photos, then this could be a great way to make some extra money, and it's totally passive income. All you need is a decent camera and an internet connection. It's easy to get started selling photography online, and there are a number of platforms that make it simple to list and sell your photos. You can also set up a passive income stream by selling stock images to sites like Shutterstock or iStockPhoto. These sites will pay you a commission every time one of your photos is downloaded. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today. If you enjoyed this video so far, then make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and ring the bell icon to get notifications. Also leave a thumbs up to trigger the YouTube algorithm. Number 6. Flip retail products. There are a number of ways to generate passive income, but flipping retail products is one of the simplest and most effective ways to earn some decent income. By sourcing products from major retailers and then reselling them online at a markup, you can create a stream of passive income that requires very little work on your part. In fact, once you have sourced a product and set up your online store, the only thing you need to do is wait for customers to come to you. To get started flipping retail products, all you need is a few $1,000s to invest in inventory. Once you have sold your inventory, you can then reinvest the profits into more inventory and scale your business as large as you want. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular passive income ideas around. And for good reason, it can be a great way to make money while you sleep. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's basically when you promote someone else's products or services and earn a commission on the sales that result from your promotion. There are all sorts of ways to do affiliate marketing, from blogging and YouTube videos to creating courses and ebooks. And there are tons of products and services out there to promote as an affiliate, everything from kitchen appliances to financial services. To be successful with affiliate marketing, you'll need to choose the right products or services to promote. Build up an audience and then promote the best, suitable products to those audiences. Number 4. Rental income. One of the most popular and common ways to generate passive income is through rental properties. In fact, many people consider real estate to be one of the best and most reliable sources of passive income. There are a few things to keep in mind when it comes to rental properties. However, you need to have enough capital saved up for a down payment. You need to be prepared for repairs and maintenance, and you need to have a good credit score in order to qualify for a loan. Number 3. Write an ebook. If you're looking for a passive income stream that you can start in 2022, writing an ebook is a great option. You can earn royalties from your book sales for years to come, and it's a relatively low-cost way to get started as an author. To make the most of your ebook royalties, be sure to choose a topic that's in high demand and write a book that's well-written and engaging. Number 2. Start a blog. A blog can be a great way to create passive income, especially if you have loyal readers who are interested in your content. You can monetize your blog with affiliate marketing links, paid sponsorships, or by selling advertising space. If you're not sure where to start, just write down what is your passion and what is your hobby. Those may be the best niche to start. Once you've decided on an idea, be sure to do your research and create a plan. A well-thought-out blog can be a great way to generate income passively. So what are you waiting for? Start blogging today. Number 1. Create a course. In our list, the best option for passive income in 2022 is to create an online course. You can film and edit your course yourself, or outsource the production if you prefer. Once your course is live, you can earn money each time someone buys it. To make sure your course is successful, be sure to choose a topic that's popular and needed, and then market your course heavily. Creating a passive income stream from an online course is one of the smartest things you can do for your financial future. Those are the top 12 passive income ideas for 2022. Hope you find your passive income stream. If so, leave a comment and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.